What's up, sunshines? So today it's gonna be the first day that I start recording my meals for you, our healthy, clean eating, weight loss meals. So these are gonna be just a few this time. I don't know if I'm gonna have 5, but I'm going to start on my first one, get footage, give you some ideas, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry for the loud TV in the background, but it is early morning and I'm gonna start prepping today's dinner right now. And I'm gonna show you guys all that, and then we'll probably do like 2 or 3 more. Just keep it to like 3, I think. Since you guys want these to be reoccurring videos, I'll probably split them up a little bit, not have so many on one video, so it's not too long. I'm gonna try and make some still like easy ones, and then there are gonna be some other like good ones that you can make, so you can make sure that you are satisfied during your weight loss journey or your health journey. You know, you need to make satisfying meals or you're gonna feel deprived and you're gonna wanna binge, or you're gonna wanna like go out to a restaurant and eat something really bad. So yeah, anyway, I hope you guys enjoy it.
So some of the ingredients we're going to need today is balsamic vinegar, tomatoes, peppers, salt, onion, olive oil, garlic. So we're going to go ahead and start off by cutting up half an onion. We're only going to need half the onion today. So now we're gonna go ahead and chop up our garlic, because I love adding garlic to my foods. So then we're gonna go ahead and add some Pam and just spray the inside of your crock pot. So I'm going to go ahead and add the garlic and onion to the bottom of the crock pot just to kind of let it sizzle and cook a little bit first. It just like adds flavor to your whole meal. So then we're going to cut up all these tomatoes in halves, and we're going to cut up about 3.5 cups. So you're gonna go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. I always use pink Himalayan salt instead of traditional salt, and that is what I cook with.
8 hours later.
So after it's cooked for about 8 hours, you're gonna add your basil and your mozzarella cheese. And right here, my hubby is chopping everything up. I think I was busy with something and we needed this meal to go on, so he actually did this part for me, which was super sweet. So you're just gonna wanna let that cook for an extra 10 minutes.
Woo. All right, you guys, so our crock pot meal is all done. This is the Caprese chicken crock pot. We did put some rice down here. You can barely see, there we go. So yeah, we are super excited to eat this. The tomatoes help it make it kind of like a juicier chicken. The flavor is amazing. You got your rice, your little bit of carbs, and you got your chicken. This is also 80-day and 21-day fix approved, which are the workouts that I'm doing. So yeah, anyway, I'm super excited, and Shanam's super excited to eat it. All right, you guys, so today I actually got a recipe. It's 21-day fix pulled pork with maple barbecue sauce. It's a crock pot or Instapot recipe. So I'm gonna do this because I am doing some of the Beachbody programs, and this is gonna help measure out. Plus, it's just gonna be healthier, cleaner, and good for all of us. So we are also gonna make these in lettuce wraps, and we're super excited. I might make some asparagus on the side or something else. I don't know yet. It's still really early. I went ahead and warming this up. So I'm gonna go ahead and prep my meat. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut down the middle here, so then I can stuff garlic, these whole chopped garlic. Well, I'll probably cut these a little bit. Stuff it in the center there, add all my seasonings, my chicken stock, and then my onions and some olive oil. So we're gonna just go ahead and have it so slow cook today for about 8 hours, and then we're gonna come back and do the rest. We're gonna make the barbecue sauce and then show you how it looks after and what we think about it. So, yay.
So right here I am going to chop up everything. I went ahead and cut down the middle of the pork so you can kind of stuff the garlic pieces in there. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and pour virgin oil all over and then season with my pepper and some of my garlic powder and salt.
So I just want to mention, you guys, if you are ever stuck on, like you don't know what to cook one day or you want to try something new, go to Pinterest. Well, first go to YouTube and see if I have any dinner ideas. No. And then go to Pinterest and see if anybody else does. There's a lot of great different recipes out there. And you can put like healthy or for weight loss, or if you're doing the portion control containers like me through Beachbody, the colored portion controls, then you can look up those recipes too. They have a lot of options. I'm gonna share just the recipes that I know and we cook here at home, but then also I wanna share my journey with you guys of trying other recipes, ones that I haven't done before. So this one is gonna be geared toward the 21-day fixed diet, 80-day obsession, kind of going along with the portion control containers, but obviously nobody else in the house is using those, so you would just portion what you feel like is enough for you. And if you want to add like some healthy carbs, you can add like asparagus, rice, stuff like that. So the last thing we're going to add is the chicken stock, and I am going to, it's 1 cup of chicken stock.
8 hours later.
All right, you guys, so right now the crock pot dinner is done. So I just have it on warm right now, and then I am like grilling up some veggies to go on the side for me and Shanam. I'm going to go ahead and make the barbecue sauce. So the barbecue sauce consists of maple syrup. We use this kind just because it's like calorie free. You want some paste, tomato paste, apple cider vinegar, these organic coconut liquid aminos, and then these are some of the seasonings, also onion powder. So I'm going to go ahead and here's all my measuring cups and things, and then I'm going to add it to this, mix it up. I'm going to shred this up and then mix it all together and show you what's next. Oh, and get the lettuce out.
So right here, I'm going to go ahead and start making my barbecue sauce, and I am going to just go ahead and put the tomato paste right in our ½ a cup. We're going to add in our coconut aminos, some of our maple syrup, and then our apple cider vinegar.
Alright, you guys, this is the finished project. So I have my side veggies here, peppers and onions, things like that. Give it some more flavor. And then this is the pulled pork barbecue, or the barbecue pulled pork wraps. So we just used lettuce. The barbecue sauce came out so good. It's not as thick and like as sweet as regular barbecue sauce, but I tried some and it's amazing. So I'm really happy about this. This is gonna fill me up. This is gonna get my veggies and protein for the evening, because like I said, I eat carbs earlier throughout the day, and then towards the end of the day I focus on proteins, healthy fat, and veggies. But this is what I got. Okay, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and make our next meal for you. This is a no carb, low carb, keto type meal. It's super easy. You only need like 3 or 4 ingredients. It's really your preference. And it's gonna be the no carb pizza. So I'm super excited to make this pizza because I love pizza, and there's no carbs. It's really, really high in protein, like 60 grams of protein, so it's gonna be delish. So we're gonna go ahead and make this. All right, so if you're making this for a family, you're just gonna go ahead and want 2 of these premium white chicken chunk in the water cans. So you want chicken in the can. This is, I got these 2 from the Target market, so that's just what it is. Oh, and you want to make sure you have 10 ounces, and then every 10 ounces you make, you want 1 egg. So this is gonna make our pizza crust, believe it or not. And I got little fingers coming in. It's not a boiled egg, Mama. We gotta cook it. All right, so let's go ahead and prepare our crust. For the toppings, it's really your preference, but you want to definitely be cautious of what you're putting on because it's still weight loss. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put these pepperoni slices. They're supposed to be turkey pepperoni, but it doesn't look like it. Huh, I usually get turkey pepperoni, but I guess I just got regular. Little slices of jalapenos, and then you can put the like Parmesan cheese on it, fresh Parmesan cheese or nutritional yeast flakes. So it gives a savory cheese type flavor. If you are new and if you've never heard of this, it's supposed to be a replace of cheese. A lot of people use it when they're in a weight loss journey. We went ahead and drained our cans. You want to make sure they're fully drained. And then we're just gonna go ahead and spread the chicken on the pan. I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of crumble it up. So then we're gonna go ahead and put it in the oven and bake for 10 minutes.
So I do need to invest in a mixer. So I've been using my blender when I cook and need to mix things. And I'm going to be getting a mixer soon, especially since I'm trying a lot of new recipes that need it. And it's just a good investment, something to have so you can cook at home.
And we're going to use this, go a little bit healthier route. So you want to use 2 ounces.
So this here is going to be my healthier cheese replacement.
So you're just going to put it back on the pan. We're going to flatten it out.
And me.
And you.
Me.
You're so cute.
You. Me.
You're so cute. You're going to go ahead and flatten out your crust, and then you're gonna shape it. Set your oven to 500 degrees. So right now mine's just at like 410. It's still heating up. And after that, we're gonna put on our toppings and stick it back in the oven. So let's go ahead and get this on the ball. All right, you guys, so this is how it looks before we put our toppings on. So this is it. Really good. And it smells amazing in the house, like we ordered pepperoni pizza. You are definitely going to want to use something else than tinfoil when you make this. It is not like my cauliflower pizza that I make. It sticks to the tinfoil. So I recommend using like a silicone mat. Tried it and it tastes amazing, so that's good. But it definitely is missing the pizza sauce. So I would add a little pizza sauce if you want that full pizza flavor, but really I'm about to mow down on this and I'm so happy with it. That was cooking with Lindsay today, trying new recipes, old recipes, all of that good stuff. If you have any recipe ideas, let me know down below in the comments. I would love to hear them. We're gonna go ahead and eat this because I'm so hungry, and I will see you guys in another video with more ideas and more foods to try. Bye.